Hello everyone. So this is day 78. So I know yeah, I was not making videos regularly because I had some work and I'm going to share a new information. If you are watching me, so you can add my also my college start. That's why I'm not taking time. I'm not giving time to my challenge. But don't worry, I will never give up. I will never give up. So let's start with English. You know this is a 100-day challenge. So in this video I'm translate a story, and especially in this video I'm not going to translate. I'm going to speak story in English as well as I can in Hindi in my Hindi story challenge. Don't worry, because this challenge is created for learning English. So I'm very hopeless to where I start. So in this story, in the beginning of the story, we see a horse is suffering from a illness. He was he was very ill, and his caretaker is not caring him properly, and that's why he is not doing good work also. So once a day, his caretaker decided to check the doctor of this horse. The doctor checked the horse and said his condition is very bad. Doctor said, I think he will no more. He will die in a week. He has he has only 7 to 8 days. When the doctor said to his horse caretaker, so the goat was there and listening them, and then goat was shocked. He will no more, and then doctor and his caretaker decide he, if he will good in upcoming 7 days, so fine, otherwise we will give a poison on that food, then he eat and he will die, because the- there is no one want to suffering from the pain. Then goat was there and listening to them. Then suddenly goat reach on the horse, reach beside beside him, reach beside the horse, and goat said to horse, if you will please stand up. If you not stand properly, so your caretaker and your doctor will going to give poison to you and you will die. The horse was very surprised. He also shocked. So horse is trying to stand up, but he can't. He could not have. He could not have done. But with the help of God, he could do. He could do. He could have done. He could have done. And when the doctor and caretaker saw what happening, it's a miracle. The horse suddenly stand up. Then caretaker was happy. Then the friends of the caretaker comes comes their home, comes his home, and said, "So please give him to party. Horse, wi- your horse saved." He did not die. The horse condition has the horse condition had a good. And then caretaker said, "Okay." Then the caretaker said, "I have also a goat. Let's let the party. Let's do the party." And then the goat will no more. So goat no more. Goat is no more because his friend and he and his friend killing the goat for food for the party, and he converted his meat into the mutton. And moral of the story, moral of the story, keep silent whenever don't ask don't ask from you. Otherwise, if you say something without asking, so you will be faced problems and in dangers. Thank you. The story has finished. So let's move on the revision challenge. I hope this is not a good storytelling, and I know there's not a good sentences. The video English is very bad, and I'm trying only 70 to 80 days continuously practicing English, but I did not say properly. I could not say properly. The main reason is I'm not practicing, not practice to speak up. My brain and my tongue is not connected. Firstly, when the output is coming to my brain, and then I translate and then I speak. Not instead of not come in the out, not I thought and then came from my mouth in English. And that's why I'm listening. I'm telling the story in the English because until unless you feel, yeah, you are speaking in English, in your tongue, your mother tongue, change in English. You have to do. You have to. You have to speak English properly. So this is the screen. Firstly, I'm practice of uses. I'm doing practice of use of make and mix. So मैं उससे कपड़े धुलवाता हूँ. So I make him wash clothes. मैं उससे वह मुझसे सफाई करवाता है. He makes me cleaning. क्या टीचर छात्रों को होमवर्क करवाती है? Does the teacher makes him the teacher does the teacher does the teacher make student homework? क्या पापा तुमसे गाड़ी चलवाते हैं? Does the father makes you driving vehicle? वह मुझसे मोबाइल ठीक करवाता है. He makes me repair mobile. क्या बॉस आपसे रिपोर्ट बनवाते हैं? Does boss makes you create report? The next is uses of made. Use made is a past form of makes. मैं उससे किताबें मंगवाई. I made him to buy books. माँ ने बहन से खाना बनवाया. Mother made sister eat food. पिता ने मुझसे गाड़ी साफ करवाई. Father made me cleaning vehicle. क्या उसने तुमसे कपड़े प्रेस करवाए? Does he made so no sorry did he makes क्या उसने तुमसे सॉरी did he makes me cloth iron? उसने मुझे लैपटॉप फॉर्मेट कराया. He makes me नो उसने मुझसे लैपटॉप कराया. तो he made me लैपटॉप फॉर्मेट. उसने मुझसे वीडियो शूट कराया. He made me video shoot. The next is uses of about to. मैं बाहर जाने ही वाला हूँ. I am about to go outside. वह खेलने ही वाला है. He is about to playing. वह खाना बनाने ही वाली है. She is about to eat cooking food. मैं बात नहीं करने वाला हूँ. I'm not about to talking. हम हारने वाले नहीं हैं. So we are not about to lose. क्या आप कुछ कहने वाले हैं? Are you about to say something? क्या मैं सवाल पूछने ही वाला हूँ? क्या वह सवाल पूछने ही वाला हूँ? Is he about to asking question? क्या वह नाचने ही वाली है? Is he about to dance? क्या वह गुस्सा करने नहीं वाला है? Is he not about to angry? The next is about to in the past. मैं फ़ोन करने ही वाला था. I was about to phone call. तुम कुछ कहने ही वाले थे. You were about to say something. तुम बाहर जाने ही वाले थे. हम बाहर जाने ही वाले थे. We were about to go outside. तुम हंसने नहीं वाले थे. You were not about to laughing. वह खाना नहीं बनाने वाला था. He was not cooking food. He was not about to cooking food. क्या मैं बोलने ही वाला था? Was I about to speak? क्या हमें खाना खाने ही वाले थे? Were we about to eat food? क्या वह जवाब देने ही वाला था? वॉज ही अबाउट टू आंसर? क्या मैं जाने नहीं वाला था? वॉज आई अबाउट टू, सॉरी वॉज आई नॉट, वॉज आई नॉट अबाउट टू गो? क्या तुम दरवाज़ा नहीं खोलने वाले थे? आर सॉरी, वर यू नॉट अबाउट टू ओपन द डोर? So that was a, that was only usage of about to. The next is preposition. Usage of on. On if so not on if, from, by, it's all are preposition. हमारा एग्ज़ाम 14 अक्टूबर को है। और एग्ज़ाम ऑन 14 अक्टूबर। मैं रविवार को भोपाल से वापस आऊँगी। आई केम आई केम ऑन संडे फ्रॉम भोपाल। क्या आपके घर में रोड पर है? इज़ योर क्या आपका इज़ योर होम? आई इज़ योर होम इन मेन रोड? क्या आप टेबल पर बैठे हैं? क्या आपका घर इज़ हाँ, इज़ योर होम ऑन मेन रोड? क्या आप टेबल पर बैठे हैं? आर यू सिटिंग ऑन टेबल? क्या पेज 25 पर एक चित्र है? इज पेज 25, सॉरी, इज देयर एनी ड्राइंग ऑन पेज 25? द नेक्स्ट इज यूजेज ऑफ एट। मेरा भाई घर पर है। माई ब्रदर एट होम। वह डांस में अच्छी है। शी इज़ वेरी गुड एट डांस। मैं रात में सोता हूँ। आई स्लीप एट नाइट। मैं बस स्टॉप पर खड़ा नहीं था। आई वॉज नॉट स्टैंड ऑन आई वॉज नॉट स्टैंड एट बस स्टॉप। मेरा जन्म शाम 7 बजे हुआ था। माई बर्थ एट 7 PM इन इवनिंग। द नेक्स्ट इज यूजेज ऑफ इन। मैं जिम में वज़न उठा रहा हूँ। आई एम लिफ्टिंग द वेट इन द जिम। उसके जन्म मार्च में हुआ था। हिज बर्थ वॉज इन मार्च। मैं 2 घंटे से वापस आऊँगा। आई विल कम इन 2 hours। उसने मार्च 2008 में कंपनी छोड़ दी। He left the company in 2008। The next is usage of into। मैं पानी में डुबकी लगाई। I dipped into the water। मैं उसके कमरे में गया। I went into his room। मैं कुएं में गिर गया। I fell into the well। जमीन को पार्क बना दिया। जमीन कन्वर्ट इनटू पार्क। इन्हें हिंदी में ट्रांसलेट करो। प्लीज डू कन्वर्ट इनटू, सॉरी प्लीज ट्रांसलेट इनटू हिंदी। द नेक्स्ट इज यूज ऑफ बाय। वह 8 बजे तक वापस आएगा। ही विल कम बैक बाय 8 o'clock। हमने बस से यात्रा की। वी ट्रैवल बाय बस। हमें उसके द्वारा धोखा दिया गया। हमें उसके द्वारा धोखा गया। वी ट्वेल्व वी हैज़ बीन ड्रिल बाय हिम। मेरे घर के बाजू में स्कूल है। देयर इज अ स्कूल बिसाइड माई होम। मेरा दोस्त 5 बजे तक इंदौर पहुंच गया। माई फ्रेंड रीच्ड इंदौर at 5 p.m. The next is use of from. मैं कल से काम करूँगा. I will do work from tomorrow. हम पार्क में से आ रहे हैं. We are coming from park. वह घर से फ़ोन कर रहा है. He is calling from home. तुम मुझसे बहुत दूर हो. You are very far from me. वह बुखार से पीड़ित है. She is suffering from fever. So the day 78 has finished. So I hope this video is very helpful for both me and you. For me, I for me it may be translate story to when it is very the benefits of me for me is like a vocabs and the accent. There was a difference accent, also vocab, and also revision. And your I know it's a time wasting for you. I apologize to you, but if you want to learn English, so you can try my own idea. Okay, thank you. I hope I will meet next day.